Heavy Vehicle Factory to hire for 1,850 junior technician posts. Check application schedule. The Heavy Vehicle Factory HVF in Avidai is recruiting for 1,850 junior technician positions across various trades such as electrician, machinist, welder, fitter, and carpenter. To be eligible, candidates must have passed the ITI exam in the relevant trade. The online application process will start on June 28 and ends on July 18, 2025. Interested candidates can apply via the official website, offer.formflix.org. The recruitment is on a contract basis. Initially, candidates will be hired for a one-year contract, which may be extended to 3 years based on performance. Detailed information on qualifications, age limits, application fees, and the selection process is available in the notification on the website. Candidates should thoroughly read the notification before applying. Heavy Vehicles Factory, a unit of AVNL, invites application through online mode only from eligible and interested Indian citizens fulfilling the eligibility criteria, for filling up of fixed tenure-based posts on contract basis to work in Heavy Vehicles Factory, Avidai, China 600-054. The period of contract for selected candidates is initially for 1 year, extendable for 3 more years based on performance, reads the official notice. Heavy Vehicle Factory Recruitment 2025 Eligibility Criteria. Educational qualification. The candidates must have NACNC National Apprenticeship Trade Certificate in the relevant trade. ITI is also valid. For certain trades like operator, material handling equipment, rigger, and sand and shot blaster, Class 10th plus 2 years of industrial experience is required. Age limit general maximum 35 years, optional 3 years, SCST 5 years, PWBD 10 years additional with other categories. Ex-apprentice trainee, ex-servicemen, and experienced candidates get exemptions as per rule. Heavy Vehicle Factory Recruitment 2025 Salary Basic Pay Rs 21,000 Industrial Dearness Allowance IDA applicable Special Allowance 5 of Basic Annual Increment 3 of Basic Pay per annum only when the previous period is successfully completed. Additional allowances include medical, accident insurance, transport, telephone etc. Rs 3,000 month EPF Provident Fund contribution gratuity after 1 year of service. 15 days salary per year. Swipe left for next video. Ex gratia up to 10 lakh on accidental death accommodation or HRA based on availability. Latest blogs.